everybody! I am Honey Lou from Spreadpiece Agency under Nine Talent Management. And I want to invite all of you for our event this coming August 27 at 12 noon Philippine time, the Broadway Musical Singing Contest. And here are the mechanics and the criteria for judging. Stage presence and delivery, 50%. Have a compelling storytelling and resonance, so choose a piece that will make your voice shine. Good internet connection and background, 30%. Please have a stable internet connection along with a presentable background. Audience impact, 20%. Who has the biggest round of applause? Invite your friends and family to cheer for you. And here are the prizes. First prize, 1 million worth of gift. Second prize, 500K worth of gift. And the third prize, 300K worth of gift. So what are you waiting for? Join now. And thank you so much.
Y'all can